Hello, this is Professor Gibson, and this is a video I made for doing this question ID number in Math 115 online, 4.1.027. It's in the Chapter 4 homework. So it's in the apportionment area. Here's the question here I've clipped in below. The following table shows the enrollment for each of the four divisions of a college. The four divisions are liberal arts, business, humanities, and science. There are 180 new computers that are to be apportioned among the divisions based on enrollments, and they give us the table. All right, so here's a spreadsheet that I've made to do all three, the Jefferson, the Websters, and the Hamilton. All right, you can see I've put the numbers in. Each of them, I've labeled the divisions and I've put the numbers in for each one: 34, 55, 57, 80, 1896, and 4678. This adds up to 15,809. It's in all three of them. I've put in, this is normally for representatives, but it's computers this time anyway. I put in the 180 that are needed. All right. Now, so for Jefferson, what happens is, this go ahead and makes the standard quota. All right. So the calculation is already done in the spreadsheet. Here's the standard divisor. And then here's our first calculation of the quotas. Here's what happens after we round down, get rid of the decimal part. It adds up to 178. Okay. Well, we need it to be 180, if you remember. And so what we're going to do is here's our modified divisor. We're just going to shrink the divisor until we get this one, right? Here's the calculation using the modified. And to start with, I've got it equal to the standard. So you'll see as we decrease it, that was too much. Go for 87. All right. How about 86? Too big. All right. How about 86.8? All right. 86.7. 86.5. There we go. Okay, I guess we're going to have to use decimals. I'm going to have to make that show another decimal place there. All right, so there's the Jefferson. We got our 180, and here's our quotas for each one. Okay. Now Webster's, what we do is we just do normal rounding instead of the round down. So here's the same quotas by standard division. If we do normal rounding, this adds up to a clean 180. We don't have to modify anything. We've got it. All right. Now, Hamilton, we do the round down again, and then we add one to the ones with the two biggest decimal parts. Looking over here, it looks like the two biggest decimal parts are the business and the humanities. So we'll add one to each one of those. And then the others will remain unchanged. All right. So for the Jefferson, we get 39, 66, 21, 54. For the Websters, we get 39, 66, 22, 53. For the Hamilton, 39, 66, 22, 53. So the Websters and the Hamilton are the same, and the Jefferson is different. So let's look over our questions here. Use the Webster method to apportion. How do the apportionment results produced using the Webster method compare to the results using the Hamilton method? Well, Webster's and Hamilton were the same this time. The two methods are the same. This next one, so Webster and Jefferson, right? This is a word a little weird, but this one's supposed to be Webster compared to Jefferson. And the Webster is a little different from the Jefferson, right? The first two are the same, but the humanities and science, humanities gets one more with Hamilton and one less with science. Using Jefferson method, humanity gets using the Jefferson method, yes, humanities gets one fewer, and science gets one more. All right, that's it for this one. I hope you find that helpful.